So friends, most welcome this Pathnoscope channel. I have learning this while loop in this code while loop statement. So write a program, input the number in reciprocal form, which means 1 2 3 4 and is reciprocal 4 3 2 1. So let's start. Num is equal to int, num is equal to int, int which means integer, which means integer, and input, enter the digit, enter the digit, enter the digit is equal to, friends, I have, you are new for this channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification basic to high level programming language in this channel. So watch screen. Rev is equal to 0, rev is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, and next while num is 0, rev is equal to rev is equal to rev into 10 plus I, 10 plus I, num double slash 10, print result, print result is equal to comma rev. So friends, only 8 lines this code. Enter the digit 1 2 3 4, result is 0 because it is a logical error. What logical error? So friends, I am missing the one code. So I is equal to num, I is equal to num, and modulus. So next line is 10, yes 10. So enter the digit 1 2 3 4. So friends, this is correct output 4 3 2 1. So friends, you have new for this channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, hit the like button. Thanks for watching friends.